Mr. Speaker, I move that we recognize the Honorable Isidro Ungab on a question of privilege.
The Honorable Honorable Ongab is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I rise on a question of privilege because I believe this is important to us as member of the House and, of course, our constituents. May I ask Mr. Speaker, what is the status of the printed copies of the General Appropriations Act? Because I understand, as we have read in the papers, that the GAA 2025 was already signed by the President last December 30, and being a long-time member of this Congress, I already presume that by the time we come back here, the printed copies are already on our tables. That's what we usually experience here every year. Pagbalik natin, pagkatapos ng ating Christmas break, nandito na ang printed copies ng GAA. So that's my question, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, you don't have to answer that now because I know you don't know the answer. So I am just raising this question as a question of privilege because dapat lang ma-aware at ma-inform tayo kung what is the status at bakit wala pa yung ating printed copies ng General Appropriations Act. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. That's just my short question of privilege.
Thank you, Honorable Ongab. Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, given the question of privilege by the Honorable Ungab, may we move that the matter be referred to the Committee on Rules for any action that may be taken thereon.
Is there any objection? Here's none. The speech of the Honorable Ongab is referred to the Committee on Rules.